Ito, ruta ko tuwing umaga pag magdi-deliver ako ng tinapay.
Dito ko natin.
Oo, dinideliver ako yung katabi nila Bonsa Miss Columbus.
Ayan guys.
There's Zach Williams, survivor.
Gregory Tower ako natakpan.
FM, safe and fun for the whole family. Good afternoon, I'm Zach Thomas. And today and through the weekend,
Hinamon
you
yun.
can text the word change to 403-276-8888.
Wow.
And then you can get
Wow,
in the draw to win yourself or the teens in your
Wow,
life.
bigyan ng
For your
jacket
registration,
yan.
Wala ko pa sila ko.
Hindi nila alam.
Like that.
Wow.
Climb it.
Yeah.
Climb that?
Are you a baby? Are you flying? You just be careful.
Naabot din ng downtown.
Downtown.
Yeah. We're in Calgary.
Stampeders. Saan tayo dito? Sa Doldo. Grabe, ang takas ng mga yung condo na to. Kasi mataas pa to sa ano? Sa Calgary Tower o hindi?
Nalo. Ano
Oh,
to?
here's something.
Nakakalula yung takas eh.
What's the two ship? It's the two ship. I found the two ship. Yeah, I know it's the two ship.
Ayun guys, oh, grabe.
Corners. I like to hide my ships in the corners. Yeah, that's the one with the corner. Oh my god.
Ikot natin doon sa kabila.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Turo ko sa'yo bakit tayo.
I told you I go easy on you. This is not pro mode this time.
Calgary Tower guys, oh, sumisilip ba?
First time going easy. Okay, you still have like one
Studio build dito ah.
just hide well. Yeah, that's definitely bronze. You hide your. I'm checking all the corners out. Yeah, you win. Ah, that's where you had yours. Hey, I knew I should have checked this corner and this corner. I'm in Calgary.
Yan o, tignan mo yan o.
Ito yung bike dito sa amin guys, oh. Ang kulit eh. Nakita na natin dati yan, di ba?
Oo.
I'm in Calgary.
Yan lang. We are in...
Ay.
Saan ba biyahe nun? Di ba minsan maraming sumasakay dyan?
Oo.
Ayun, nasa harap na yung ano. Last ng trip ni Kuya.
Bar. Yan yung bar eh.
Oo nga no.
Pedal pub.
Ayan guys, oh. Nalasing na si Kuya. Shot tayo.
Wala na yung daan dito eh dati.
Inayos nila.
Sinaraduhan.
Di ba? Paikot tayo sa may ano. Inglewood.
The word is Ingle.
Ayan guys, Inglewood.
I want to play the fruit origin.
Ano kung ano yung ginagawa nila dyan sa Bandarian?
Oh, may ano. Ano yan? Puro may okasyon. Libre pagkain guys.
Hinahanap namin puro libre.
May paayuda si Mayor.